How the weather is looking with Louise Lear. Hello.
Hello. No chance of seeing it tonight in Scotland, I'm afraid. It's been miserable the last couple of days, hasn't it? Particularly in the northwest, as you can see, relentless rain in Achnagat. And in actual fact, in the last 48 hours, we've seen just shy of 90 millimetres of rainfall. And weather watchers' pictures have been showing just how pretty miserable it has been. This is Ballachulish, but despite its natural beauty, you can see it's been pretty wet and rather windy at times as well. There's been some beautiful sunshine, though, so far today across the far south and east, and anywhere across eastern England, the southeast, seeing some glorious, glorious scenes. But this was Hove earlier on. Certainly it would tempt you to just dip your toe in the water, I'm sure. Now, through the rest of the afternoon, central and eastern areas keep that sunshine going. And even across eastern Scotland as well, we'll see a little bit of sunshine, a little bit of brightness into the afternoon, and highs of 19 degrees. But that conveyor belt of rain still sitting there across Northern Ireland and into western Scotland. Pretty miserable here, and a fair amount of cloud across west-facing coast as well. And that's just going to bring the temperatures down across Wales and southwest England, 18 or 19 degrees here. But central and eastern England responding to the sunshine. Some beautiful warmth out there, and temperatures perhaps mid to high 20s. 26 degrees is into the high 70s Fahrenheit. That weather front that's been sitting in Scotland will drift its way south. Still some pretty strong winds with it for a time. It takes some outbreaks of rain into northwest England and Wales, and by tomorrow morning it'll be sitting across the M4 corridor. A band of cloud, a weak affair by then, but it certainly will be a different story across England and Wales tomorrow. The odd spot or two of rain here and a few isolated showers up into the north. A little more straightforward on Sunday. Sunny spells and pleasant enough. A good deal of usable weather in the story. 14 to 23 the high. And it does look as though this drier, warmer theme set to continue. So on Monday, we're going to see plenty of dry weather, perhaps temperatures up as high as 27 degrees. This warmth, if you've not already heard, is coming from the near continent, where Spain is seeing temperatures at around 40 degrees plus. So some of that warmth is going to drift up towards the UK into the early half of next week. Wouldn't be surprised on Tuesday if one or two of us could see temperatures up as high as 30 degrees. It's not expected to last, however, for very long. And just a word of interest, if you've been watching the Olympics, and it's been pretty disappointing of late, things warm up here as well. Temperatures similar to the UK on Monday with highs of 30.
Louise, thank you. Before we leave you, a reminder